it's Inktober day 1 and today's theme is poisonous. Well, poison is the most poisonous species of octopus is the blue-ringed one, and so I'm drawing it. To give it more of a dangerous feel, I thought of adding some pirate theme to it. So I started with a skull, which was supposed to look dangerous but looks anyway. So going with the pirate theme, it has a bandana or scarf or whatever thing is called with a skull, with a funny looking skull, and then there's a sword, there's a hook hand, and there's one normal hand because there is something called taruka bottle, and then we have a bone. And now we are coloring, and I'm just rambling. Inking, highlights. I thought I used the pirate pen. Yeah, I used the pirate pen. And the best alcohol markers. Like if you want to switch your Copic marker with something sasta, I guess the brush one is really good. And to give more of to keep the whole artwork in the poisonous theme, I made some circles which are supposed to be blue, but since it's a monochrome themed, those are gray, and we are done. Rambling as well as drawing. And here you go. Also, this white pen is my favorite. It's the Sakura gel roller, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, see ya.